Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to switch out your store-bought earring hooks for hypoallergenic ones. Now, if you're like me, you might have some sensitive ears, so sometimes when you buy things at the store, they just don't work. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you a really simple technique to sort of switch out your earring hooks. So I have this little tool set here, and this is a great little 3-piece plier set from the Beadsmith, and it comes in this nice little package here for you. So you're going to get a pair of round nose pliers, a pair of chain nose pliers, and a pair of flush cutters. Now we're not going to be using those flush cutters today, but they do help snip off any little excess wire that you might have or little threads that might come out. So again, just a great little tool set to have, and this is under $10, so it's great even for just a beginner. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I have this pair of earrings here, and I'm going to change out those earring hooks. I have 3 different colors here of hypoallergenic. So I have a nice little silver, a gold, and then that nice surgical steel, almost like a gunmetal finish there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my earring, and you see how it has that nice little loop right there on the end? I'm going to take that pair of chain nose pliers here and just sort of grip that end. I'm going to take those round nose pliers and just grip the other side. Now all I'm going to do is gently twist it open. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove my earring, and then I'm going to set that down. And then I'm going to pick up my hypoallergenic ear hook here. And you can see that I'm going to do the same technique just by gripping one side and gripping the other and giving it a nice little gentle twist. Now I have my little hook open there. So all I need to do is take my earring, slide on the loop, and again, I'm just going to take my chain nose plier and my round nose plier there, and just give it another little gentle twist to close it back up. There we go. All right, and that's how easy it is to switch out your earring hooks. So now I have an earring that is going to be safe in my ear and won't bother me at all. So a great little tip is to go ahead and switch out those earring hooks. And what's great is here at Beadaholique, we do sell them, and you actually get 100 per pack. So if you want to buy different colors, you can have these ready to go at any time. And this is also great if you're selling jewelry as well. If you want to kind of say to people, hey, if you have sensitive ears, don't worry, I'm using hypoallergenic ear hooks. So these are a great option for that. Now, if you're using these ear hooks, one thing I want to point out to you is that we do have these great little ear back stoppers. Now, I'm always losing my earrings, and I hate when that happens, so I love to use these little back stoppers here, and these are a nice little silicone. So very cool little things. All right, and again, we do have some hypoallergenic. We have these bullet clutch backs, and again, you do get a lot of these, so these are just great to kind of have. These are some of those things that people are always losing as well, so great to have these. And they do come also with these little plastic backs here. Now this just sort of helps secure it onto your earring. You can see that I've done it here on a post pair of earrings that I've made with a little gemstone there. But this is great because especially when you're going to have something large on the front, a nice little heavy gemstone there, you're going to want something nice and stable so it doesn't pull through the ear. So again, these are all hypoallergenic, and you do get a lot of these as well. So this is really, really great. So these are hypoallergenic. Now, one last thing I just kind of want to briefly touch on is these anti-tarnish bags. So if you have some jewelry and you want to keep it nice and fresh and anti-tarnish, so I have a really big piece of jewelry here that I want to keep in my anti-tarnish bag. And you can see right here it says tarnish prevention bag. So what this is going to do is it's just going to protect your jewelry. So you just place it inside and make sure it is nice and sealed. You want to get any air out of there and keep it nice and sealed. And this will protect your jewelry for a long time to come. And these do come in various sizes here. I do have 2 sizes. So this one is great for earrings. This I love for bracelets and necklaces. So just a lot of fun things to protect your jewelry and to keep your ears nice and safe with a couple really simple techniques of just opening that loop and switching them out. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can find all of these supplies and even more DIY videos at beadaholique.com.